What if someone tells you only the area of a circle and asks you to find its radius? Is it even possible? Today we'll learn not only how to solve this question, but also understand the complete relationship between radius and area of a circle. So the question is, the area of a circle is 154 square centimeters. Find its radius. But before jumping into solving it, let's understand some key concepts. Let's start with very basic. The circle. What is a circle? A circle is a shape where every point is at the same distance from the center. No corners, no straight edges, just one perfectly smooth loop. This middle point of the circle is called the center. The line connecting the center to the edge is the radius. If we draw a line all the way across the circle, through the center, that is the diameter. The diameter is simply twice the length of the radius. Now, let's break down the question. We are given a circle with an area of 154 centimeters squared, and we need to find its radius. Remember, the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to its outer boundary, which is called the circumference. Now, let's understand what area actually means. Area is simply the amount of space or surface covered inside a shape. To find the area of a circle, we use a specific formula pi r squared. That just means we multiply pi times the radius again. For our calculations, pi is a constant that stands for 22/7 or 3.14. In this specific problem, the area is already given to us, and our goal is to work backward to find this missing radius. So now, let's start solving this question. We know the formula is area equals pi times r squared. The area given to us equals 154 square centimeters. This means pi times r squared equals 154. Since the value of pi is 22/7, or 3.14, we can write this as 22/7 times r squared equals 154. Now, by transposition, the 7 on this side is dividing, so we move it to the other side where it multiplies with 154. This gives us 22 times r squared equals 1078. In the next step, again by transposition, we keep the r squared on this side and send the 22 to the other side. So, 1078 gets divided by 22. Solving that, we get r squared equals 49. Now for the final step. We have the radius squared, but we need to find the value of just r. So, we move the square to the other side, which converts it to the square root of 49. We very well know that the square root of 49 is equal to 7. So, the answer we get is r equals 7. The radius of a circle is 7 centimeters. And that is how you solve it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video made a tough math question feel simple, imagine having that same clarity for your entire syllabus. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss these visual breakdowns. Let us save you hours of frustrating study time and make math your easiest subject. See you in the next video.